Aha, okej. Jaha, just det, det är annorlunda. Okay, so here we go. Slime versus... Oh, gets the lead. Rolls up. Ah, that's sad. Shouldn't do that. It's the combo game. These are great combos early on. Wow. Wow! Switch. He did that. Maybe it was a misclick. Probably. Didn't go for a harder punish. Nice punish. That is so good. The short hop down air is so hard to react to. Slime showing off skills. It gets red. Nice reading. I don't actually know how this matchup works out because I think, well, basically it should be that if she gets to Villager, she'll literally murder him, even though he's the Villager. But if the zoning is in favor of a Villager, he'll probably take it. Also depends on how good they played out. Nice zoning. Great play. Red play. Hits him at the toe. Coxx doesn't go for a punish. I do not know why. Coxx played that out really weirdly, to be honest. Ooh, he goes for that sick air dodge read with the up B. So good against air dodge. I was just waiting for Alias to comment on how sick Villagers become. And it is pretty sick, so nice up air. Still doesn't kill. 160% and it doesn't kill. Yeah, that's the problem with Sheik. No kill moves. Well, he gets the forward smash. Guess that's considered a kill move anyways. At that high percent, of course. Nice read. Wow. Slime plays very well at the moment. He plays very well at the moment. Nice. Once again. Up. Oh, he didn't get the full hitbox. Sad. Misplaced it. Oh my god, that Villager recovery is just... Oh, it's just... honestly disgusting to see. Wow. That he's able to recover from there. I thought Wario was the only one that was able to do that, but, well, guess not. Oh, gets the up smash. Wow. Great place to put out a Lloyd rocket as well. Might have been one of the reasons why he died. Nice. Get up fair. Great option for Villager. Wow, he gets him with the tree. So strong. I'm just waiting for these Sheik combos. Oh no! It's sick. Slime is actually controlling this Sheik very good here. Even though he's not leading at the moment. Let's see what he can do. Weird place to go for a down smash. Coxx punishes it perfectly. Nice. You should zone more. There he tries to do it. Yeah, keep up the ledge game. Nice. Down tilt is such a good move for Lair. I guess he'll take this. No problem. Oh, he gets him with a weak hit. Wow. And they climb. Okay, let's see what he... Oh no, he failed it. Stood too far out. Ooh, almost. Is he dead? No, he's not. It's Sheik. Sheik doesn't kill for shit. Slime shows off some skills. Knowing his bit. He got the weak hit. I think he would have been dead if he got the hard hit. Or the sweet spot. Oh! The explosion! Ah, that's sad. So sad to see. Slime is thirsty. Give the man his water. He's sweating rivers right now. I can see it in his eyes. And on his t-shirt. Ew. It's disgusting. Sweating like crazy. Yes, Fat Mike. It has already börjat. Game 2. Oh shit, I forgot. Let's see what Slime can do to bring this back. Ikuzo. As people in anime say. Coxx keeps on reading Slime. Wow, gets off a string there. It's like 30%. Wow, nice. Ooh. I need unnecessary spot dodge there, but it's okay. Oh, walks right into it. Let's see what Slime can do. Tries to read that again, but Coxx being good, knowing how to adapt. Ooh. If he would have had one chop on the tree there, he could have killed him. I think he would have killed him, yeah. He runs right into it. And Slime has seriously brought this back. Wow, it's pretty much even right now. Or, I actually think it's in favor of Villager, since Villager actually can kill. Unlike Sheik. Gets him with the umbrella. Hello, hello, nice read on the spot dodge there. Ooh! Weird close up smash. Oh, the wing box, it put him back. It pushed him back. It did not manage to get the punish. Ooh, up tilt. Wow. Yeah, he's... Oh, man, kills. Nice. Forward. Forward there. Slime gets, leads him. Ooh, almost gets him. If he wouldn't have taken that, he would have been so good. Nice grab, back throw, kills. So good. Slime's brought this back. Only 30%. It's like 2 back airs or something. I don't know. I don't know how much damage they do. Ooh, that tries to go for the disrespect with a stick. With a dick. Nice, nice. Oh no fair combos. Wow. Opts to go back and charge the lead. That's the down smash. It's good for racking up percentages, but the knockback is so bad. Oh, they clank. Really clank. Ooh, nice grab. Villager has a pretty good grab. Like his options out of grab are, like when he's thrown them, are pretty good. But it is very laggy. It's like I don't know. It's just laggy. It's good but laggy. And he has one of the best kill pros in the game. If I don't remember, like third best. First is Ness, second is Toon Link actually, and then Villager comes in third place. Oh, reads him and jumps just over there. He gets him. Is he dead? No, he's not. Unfortunate. Oh, these the winners. Shit. Beg your pardon for the... This is actually losers round 5, if not... Ja, men nu ska vi kommentera något annat. He's not that easily fooled. So Coxx is just looking to rack up as much percent as he can now on this dog to be able to finish him off. He's not dead. Wow, that is weird. He's dead now though. Let's see what Slime can do. I definitely think Slime can bring this side. Almost gets him. Both the fire and the back air. I could just stay in the camp. Wow, he's doing a great job now trying to get this back. Gets red though. And failed the... Oh, nice. Ah, I shouldn't have gone for the dash. It's way too risky. Let's see what he can do. Oh, he's not dead. Oh, almost! That was so sick. That was, wow. My heart stopped for like a second here. Come on, we can do this, man. Just don't get baited. Oh, so dangerous. I'm nervous now. Yeah, and I tend to get nervous like really easily. It's really bad, but well. Ooh. If that up air had hit, we would have probably been dead. Oh! Nice. He can kill now. Villager can kill now. Now he's dead. Yeah, wow. A really good DI though. Good try. Very good try.